Which questions are determined by the court executing the decree? The provisions relating to the powers of the executing court are contained in section 47 of the CPC 1908. This section provides that all questions arising between the parties to the suit in which the decree was passed or their representatives and relating to the execution, discharge, or satisfaction of the decree shall be determined by the court executing the decree and not by a separate suit. The main object of this provision is to avoid multiplicity of proceedings and to ensure that all disputes connected with the execution of a decree are decided by the executing court itself. Thus, parties are not required to institute a fresh suit for matters arising during execution proceedings. Under Section 47(1) of the CPC 1908, the executing court is empowered to decide all questions relating to the execution of the decree, the discharge of the decree, the satisfaction of the decree. For example, if a dispute arises regarding whether a decree has already been satisfied, whether the decree is executable, or whether the judgment debtor has discharged his liability, such questions shall be determined by the executing court. Further, Section 47(3) of the CPC 1908 provides that where a question arises as to whether any person is or is not the representative of a party to the suit, such questions shall also be decided by the executing court. The court is also empowered under Section 47(2) of the CPC 1908 to treat a proceeding under this section as a suit or a suit as a proceeding, subject to objections regarding limitation or jurisdiction. The court may also order payment of additional court fees wherever necessary. The principle underlying Section 47 is that all matters connected with the execution of a decree should be settled in execution proceedings themselves. Therefore, a separate suit relating to execution, discharge, or certification of the decree is expressly barred. Conclusion. Thus, Section 47 of the CPC 1908 requires that all questions arising between the parties to the suit or their representatives and relating to the execution, discharge, or satisfaction of the decree must be determined by the court executing the decree. The section aims to provide a speedy and effective remedy by providing unnecessary litigation and ensuring that execution related disputes are resolved by the executing court itself.